Okay, students, we have completed writing IUPAC names for three type of compounds: spiro compound, fuse ring compounds, and bridge ring compounds. Today, I would like to explain how to write structure if IUPAC name is given. For these three type of molecules, I will explain. So, we'll start with examples. So name given there is, suppose, spiro 2,4 hepta 4,6 diene. Okay, so it is IUPAC name given. So here what informations are there in IUPAC name? Now spiro, that indicate one carbon is common. So here for bicyclic compound, two ring structures are there, and for that two ring structures there is a one common carbon atom. So here I am writing that spirocarbon as a dot on paper. It is just like what drawing rangoli. Now then, for spiro compounds, if you remember, only two values are there in square bracket. Now here values are in ascending order. Smaller ring value you have to write first and then larger. So here to one side you have to mention two carbon atoms as a 2 dot, and to another side you have to mention four carbon atoms as a 4 dots. Okay, so here spirocarbon atom, this middle big dot. So here you have to connect that two carbon atoms to each other. You have to connect that four carbon atoms to each other. Then connect that four carbon atom part, okay, to the common carbon, that is bridge carbon, like this. And then connect that small ring part, that two carbon part, to the common carbon, that is spirocarbon, like this. So it is a structure. So how many carbons are there? So four of this side that are of larger ring, two of this side that are of smaller ring, and this common carbon. So 4 plus 2 and spiro 1 carbon, so total becomes 7. So parent alkane is heptane. So it is coming true. In name hepta is given. Okay, then there is a change in suffix. Suffix is there as a ene. En stands for carbon double bond carbon, and di stands for 2 time carbon double bond carbon, and their positions are there: one double bond starting from carbon number 4, another double bond starting from carbon number 6. So here you have to number therefore first. If you remember, for spiro compound you have to start numbering from carbon which is directly connected to spirocarbon and carbon of smaller ring. So here this one I am numbering as 1, then this will be 2, then spirocarbon will be there as a 3, then I will proceed to larger ring, it will be there as a 4, then 5, 6 and 7, like this. So for the double bonds, therefore positions as a 4, so here you have to write double bond, and then 6, so here coming towards 7 you have to write double bond. So it is a structure for spiro 2,4 hepta 4,6 diene. So spiro compound, remember one carbon is common. You have to draw first dots for carbon atoms. It is just like what drawing rangoli, but keep in mind what rules you have to follow. Okay, we will proceed towards second example. Okay, so second example here is 3-methyl bicyclo in square bracket 420, and last parent alkane's name is there as octane. Okay, so IUPAC name given here is 3-methyl bicyclo 420 octane. So while writing structure, you have to identify first type of carbon atom. Type of organic compound whose name is given. So it is a bicyclic compound. So here I have explained you two type of bicyclic compounds. Actually three: spiro, fuse, and bridge ring compounds. For fuse ring compounds, two carbon atoms are common. So for that, value of Z will be always 0. So here it is a molecule having two carbon atoms common, so it is a fuse ring compound. So here two dots for two common carbons I am writing, and I am connecting these two dots together. So it will be common part for two ring systems, and that two carbons are there as a common. Now then, opposite to spiro, here in descending order you have to write numbers for X, Y and Z. Z is 0 here. Then for bigger 4 carbons you have to write. So here I am writing 4 dots, 2, 3 and 4 dots. And for the that medium size I have to write 2 dots. So here 2 dots I am writing. And you have to connect all that 4 dots together. Okay, and then take that to the two common carbon atoms, then 2 dots together and take that to the common carbon atoms. So it is a bicyclo compound having 4 carbon atoms, having 2 carbon atoms, and these 2 carbons are common carbons. Then you have to number, and for numbering you have to start with common carbon atom, proceed towards larger ring. So 1, here it will be 2, it will be 3, 4, 5, this second common will be 6, 7 and 8. So there is a no functional group, but substituent is given there, but it is octane, 8 carbons are there. So no change in suffix. And to the carbon number 3, you have to draw methyl group. So what is structure for 3-methyl bicyclo 420 octane? How I have drawn here, 0 indicated is fuse ring compound, so 2 carbon atoms are common. Larger ring, 4 carbons other than common carbon atoms. For medium ring, 2 carbon atoms other than 2 common carbon atoms. Total carbon becomes here 4 plus 2 plus 2 common carbon atoms, so 8 parent alkane is octane. And for the numbering, I have started with common carbon atom, then towards larger ring, and then towards smaller ring. So here structure for this compound is like this. It is 3-methyl bicyclo 420 octane. This is methyl at carbon number 3. Okay, so here then we'll go to next example. Okay, that example is bicyclo in square bracket 221 2.2.1 hept to ENE. So it is name given there. In Spiro, name starts with prefix Spiro. For fused ring compound, name starts with prefix bicyclo. For bridge ring compound, name starts with prefix bicyclo. But what is difference then in fused ring compound and bridge ring compound? That is value of square brackets, that Z. For fused ring compound, Z must be 0, and for bridge ring compound, it may be 1, 2, like that. So here it is a bridge ring system. So for bridge ring system, you have to write, and there are more than 2 carbons as a common carbons. So here you have to write first 2 dots for 2 bridge heads, for 2 bridge head carbon atoms. Then see what are the values there. Now here there is a value of 2, so that 2 you write to one side. Then second is again 2, that you write to another side. And then there is a 1, and that is the smallest bridge, that you write somewhere to the left or to the right. Then how to connect that dots together? So that 2 you connect together first, that 2 you connect together first, take them to the bridgehead carbon atom, which is a dark dot there. Okay, take them to the bridgehead carbon atom, that is to the dark dot. So then that smallest bridge of one carbon atom, that is a dot at the middle, that you take to the bridgehead carbon, that is common carbon. So it is a structure for bicycloheptane. It is a structure for bicycloheptane. Here there are the 2 carbons, here there are the 2 carbons, and here there is a 1 carbon. It is a tertiary carbon, so that is a bridgehead carbon. It is a tertiary carbon, so that is a bridgehead carbon. So here, but their name given is not heptane, it is a hep to ENE, means there is a carbon double bond carbon, and that carbon double bond carbon is commencing from second carbon. So question arises how to number. So again starts with bridgehead carbon atom numbering. So bridgehead carbon will be first, then proceed towards larger. Now here 2 are of same carbon atoms, so 2, 3, 4, it will be 5, it will be 6, and central will be 7th. And here as a double bond is commencing from 2, so here I am writing double bond. So it is structure, how to draw structure. So how it looks like for bicyclo 2.2.1 hep to ENE, we will see. So this is structure for bicyclo 2.2.1 hept to ENE. We will proceed for next example. Now example here is 5,6-diethyl bicyclo, 5,6-diethyl bicyclo in square bracket 2.2.2 2. So 3 values are there, X, Y and Z. So it must be bridge ring compound octa. So total carbons are 8 octa 2 ENE. Means there is a carbon double bond carbon also starting from carbon number 2. So we'll write first bridgehead carbon atoms, dots for bridgehead carbon atoms. Then to the left side I am writing 2 dots for one ring. Then to the right side I am writing 2 dots for another bridge. And then again for third bridge I have to write 2 dots. And that 2 dots either to left or right, but at middle I have to write. And then I will connect these 2 dots together, these 2 dots together and these 2 dots together. And all that comes there to the junction of bridgehead carbon. So here I am taking that, here I am taking that, this one like this. So it is skeleton for bicyclo 2,2,2-octane. So here numbering will start from bridgehead carbon atom. You can proceed towards any ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 like this. So here double bond is given there from carbon number 2. So carbon number 2 double bond is starting. There is a ethyl group at carbon number 5. So here I am connecting ethyl group CH3CH2, and to this also I have to write CH3CH2. So it is ethyl at 5, ethyl at 6. So it is a molecule structure for 5,6 diethyl bicyclo 2,2,2 octa 2 ENE. So we will proceed for next example. That next example given here is bicyclo 4,4,0 bicyclo 4.4.0. So what that 0 indicate? That 0 indicate it must be fused ring compound, yani having 2 carbon atoms as a common carbon atom. Bicyclo 4,4.0 deca 2 ONE means it is a ketone having double bond O to carbon. Position is 2. Now here 4,4,0. So 0 means fused ring compound. So 2 carbon atoms are common. That 2 dots for 2 common carbon atom I have drawn. Then one part is of 4 carbon atoms. So I am writing 4 dots to the drawing 4 dots to the left side. Then I will write 4 dots to the right side. I will connect all that dots means carbons together, and then I will take them to bridge, sorry not bridge but common carbons of fused ring compound, and that common carbons I will connect together. So it becomes bicyclic. So it is a bicyclo since having 2 ring structures, 4 carbon atoms to this side, 4 carbon atoms to this side. So it is, and here there is a no carbon atom at this part. So it is a 4,4,0. Total carbons are 4 plus 4, 8, and that 2 common carbon atoms total become 10. So it is a derivative of decane. But as there is a double bond O, it must be decanone. It must be decanone. So here to write that double bond O to a particular carbon, you have to number these carbon atoms, and numbering will commence from common carbon. I am writing here 1. Either to left or right you can proceed as size are same, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And carbon number 2 must have double bond O. So it is a structure for bicyclo 4,4,0 deca 2 ONE. So how it looks like, you just see. So here it is about how to draw structures if name is given. So you practice for the